Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Square Invoices. Square Invoices is one of the best invoicing software or app for small business owners, as it allows you to create professional looking invoices, and it also allows you to track and collect payments from clients. Now, to get started with Square Invoices, all you need to do is go onto squareup.com, and from there you can select their invoices from products. After you have done that, you are going to tap right where you see Get Started and you can sign up. Once you have signed up to Square Invoices, you'll be redirected to this platform, and all you have to do is tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you are now going to set up your business. So which type of merchant best describes you? And I'll select individual. After you have done that, you are going to scroll down, and from there you can enter what name would you like to appear on the customer receipt. So the name that I would like to appear is Simple Answers. So I'm going to type in Simple Answers right here. Then I'm going to tap on Continue. After doing that, what type of business do you run? And you can select the type of business that you run from this section. So let's say, for example, I'm running a clothing business. I'll tap on clothing. Then I'll tap on Continue. After you have tapped on Continue, you're going to give it a few seconds to create your profile. You're going to tap on Continue. Then from here, you're going to enter your name. So you're going to enter your legal name, zip code, and then you're going to also enter the city and state. Let me do that real quick. Once you're finished entering the relevant information, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the left-hand menu option. Right where you see Invoices, you're going to tap right there. So you're going to tap on Invoices from the left-hand menu option. After you have tapped on Invoices, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, all I want you to do, as you can see right here, you're going to scroll down. Then you're going to tap on Create Invoice. So you're going to be creating your first invoice using Square Invoices. So tap on Create Invoice. Then from here, you can add the customer name or email address. So you're going to simply tap on the box right here, and you can input the customer name, email address, or phone number. So let's say, for example, I name this customer Jason. After you have done that, you can enter the invoice title. So as you can see right here, you'd fill in the customer's email address and information. Then you'll tap on Save. Then you're going to add invoice title if you want. Then you can also add a message. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from there you can choose the service date. So let's say, for example, the 17th. And how often would you like to collect payment? Right where you see frequency. Is this a one-time billing or is it recurring? You can select either one of these options. So for example, if it is recurring, you'll simply tap on recurring. Then from there, you'll be able to set up the recurring schedule, as you can see right here. But I'm going to be selecting one time for this example. After selecting one time, you'll see Send Immediately. You can tap right there whether you like to send in immediately or you like to choose a later date. And you can also tap right where you see Due Date, and from there you can select the due date. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from here you'll be able to add the item that you're billing them for. And you can also scroll down and charge payment method on file. So you can add their card information right there. Or if you are doing it via Cash App, you can also do that. As you can see that there are numerous payment options that are available. And if you would like to allow tipping, you can tap right here, allow customer to add tip. And if you'd like to also save the customer payment method on file, you could tap right there to save it. Once everything is to your liking, you can also see more options right here. If everything is to your liking, you could tap on Preview in the top right hand corner to see how the invoice look. So you can see how the invoice looks right here. Just give it a few seconds to load up. So you can see it right here. And to make it look even more professional, you could add your logo and brand color. All you would have to do is tap on account settings. Once you have selected account settings, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you will be able to upload your logo, as you can see right here. And if you also have a specific brand color, you could choose the brand color right here, or you could put in the hex code, whichever suits you. And then you can also scroll down, and from there you can edit these information also. So where you see location, business name, you can decide if you would like to show the location or not. And you can also decide if you would like to show the phone number and other information. Once everything is to your liking, you'll simply go back and you'll be able to send the invoice. Now let me go back to the main dashboard. So let me do that real quick. And by the way, you can also add your bank account by tapping on bank accounts from the left hand menu option. From here you'll see get Square check-in. You'll be able to add your bank account right there, or you can add external bank accounts, as you can see right here. All you'll have to do is tap on link an account, then you'll tap on add external bank account, and you'll be able to add your bank account right there. And you can also set up tax forms, as you can see right here. And there are other payment methods that you can also enable by tapping on payment methods from the left hand menu option. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you'll see the other payment methods that you can enable, as you can see right here. And you can also fill in more information about your business by tapping on about my business. As you can see right there, you can add your locations. You can also set up pricing and subscriptions by tapping on pricing and subscriptions from the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. So you'll be able to set up your pricing and subscription. Once everything is to your liking, you can simply tap on Square dashboard to go back to the main dashboard. So as you can see right here, I'm back onto the main dashboard. And to track our reports and to view our reports, all we'll have to do is tap on reports from the left hand menu option. And then from there you'll be able to see all of the transactions when they have been done by tracking them by date, as you can see right here. And you can also track the sales items, and you can track team sales, labor versus sales. You can also view the discounts that you have given thus far. And also, if you would like to set up a virtual terminal, you can do that by tapping on virtual terminal from the left hand menu option. Then you will be redirected to this dashboard, on which you'll be able to take and record payments from your computer. So all you'll have to do is tap on take a payment, and you can see that Square Virtual Terminal makes it quick and easy to take payments from anywhere. You will pay a 3.5% plus 15 cents per keyed in transaction. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.